Uh, Unfortunately, today is the second day, but my motorcycle starting system, electric system broken, and I cannot start and drive motorcycle. So this is small town in Texas called Van Horn, and then I have to bring my motorcycle to the local motorcycle shop using this tow car. Oh my god. This is the cabin I stayed last night. Okay, anyway, I just charged electric at this motorcycle shop, and then I decided to start the game. Actually, it's Friday, and then it's very difficult for any motorcycle shop to fix my you know start function just couple of hours. I have to wait until Monday. I cannot do this, so I start my touring from now on. Now I'm heading for a town called Sanderson from Fort Stockton, and then I'm not sure. See, weather is very nice, and then from here, something like that, and then from here, good. So that means I'm a little worried about is that kind of twister or something. See? See? Like just in front of my road. Why this happened? You know. If this thing over there, I can go through that. But just in front of me, like and then like yeah. So I'm not sure I really have to go there or not. Let's see. Okay, I checked in a small motel located in a small town as well called Sanderson. This town is near Mexican border of Texas, and then like a little bit mountain like this, and then sun is setting now, and unfortunate thing is that the condition of my motorcycle is getting worse and worse and worse, and now almost I cannot start motorcycle anytime once I turn off the motorcycle. And then I bought this charger, and I'm charging, and tomorrow hopefully I hope I can just start in the morning, and then I will learn this motorcycle without turning off any engine. And at least it can go, with kind of 180 miles using full fuel, full of tank. Uh, Tank is full of gas, and then I over there is a gas station, and then when I fuel this motorcycle and turn up the engine, but I cannot start again. But fortunately, just here, motel. So I can check in this motel and then spend one night. So far, I did not have really big problem, but tomorrow is the kind of really important point. I really can continue this motorcycle with really big problem, or I eventually face with big problem and then think about, this motorcycle. I'm going to the desk shop to buy some food. Okay, this is the motor I checked in, but I want to show you this background. It's really